3, go.
Donkey, donkey. What's in that donkey? What's in that donkey? Okay, coffee, coffee. I like coffee. I like my coffee with sugar and cream. If I don't get my coffee, I could get really mean. Coffee, coffee. I like coffee. Ta-da! We did that. I know! We were like nerds in a street!
Players, could you introduce yourselves? And
I am Emma Van Dyke, and I love to be.
hold on. And you?
Claire Harry.
And what inspired you? What inspired you to do this wonderful production?
Because my wig inspired us to be weirdos, and then we did it with crazy hair. And I am the producer of the crazy. No, I am. No, I am. I produced this.
Looks like you guys have some royalty issues. Alright. So long. Say goodbye.
I'm the producer.
Say goodbye. Say so long.